Alrighty, Michael, here's your 347 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our As-Cast heads. It's got the Holley manifold, Holley throttle body, Holley ECU. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the beautiful Billet Specialties front end on it. Nice unit. Also got your rear sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400, 392 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 400, peaks horsepower 410, so we're rated at 425, front end's about 20, so everything's good. We'll do a full pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and I'll show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got all your build specs in it, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff, so highly recommend plug it in and watch it. Also, on the engine will be this tag. Have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, is the easiest way for us to track you down and get you that information. On the flip side of it will be this here, have UR code. You can hover over that and it will lead you to our tech sheet on our website. So it's full of information too. So highly recommend look at all this stuff, absorb it. It's good information for what you're doing, and have a great day.